Hello, boys and girls. I'm Blair. It's early in the morning, and it's time for me to go to work. Hey! That's right. This is my orange food truck. Now look over here. This is the fuel tank. I fill up the truck with fuel through this little hole. And this is the opposite side of the truck. That's the front. And finally the back. Let's check the back door. Alright, it's closed. Let's adjust the side mirrors. And that's it. I hope you like my food truck. And now I'm ready to get on it and drive. Oh, I almost forgot the driver's seat. That's better. Let's jump on. And now we are going straight to the park. This is the turn left signal, and here's the right one. Turn left and turn right in the front. This is the horn, the button for the lights. From here I can turn on the wipers and clean the windshield so I can drive safely. That's it, we arrived. Alright, let's first open the bar counter. And now I'm going for the chalk because it's time to write down the drinks. Smoothies and fruit juices. Hooray! And now let's go back inside and open the roof. I need to write down the daily specials. Burgers, hot dogs, fries, and the prices. That's it. Now let's go to the back of the truck. I'm gonna open the back door because under it stays this folding table. Let's create here a cozy dining spot using these string lights. I'm gonna hang them. And finally, let's plug the end into the socket and turn on the power button. Oh wow! And now let's go inside. On this hanger stay this saucepan, a pair of tongs, ladle, and this spatula. Then on the front stove, let's put this frying pan and turn it on. Oh, that's the wrong button. Let's fix that. Alright, it's hot enough. Let's put the lid on. And now let's move to the grill and bake some kebabs, veggie, and shrimp. Let's turn the grill on. And don't forget to turn on the fan hood. I'm gonna flip the kebabs and turn on the timer. Voila! They are ready. And here we got food box trays, big, and these are the small ones. Here we got mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, salt, and pepper. And now it's time for the burger's ingredients. But let's first use the sink and wash really well the vegetables. Lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber. Alright. We also need a sponge and a bottle of dish soap. And now I'm gonna tear the leaves of the lettuce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the cutting board. I'm gonna put on it the tomatoes and using the knife I'm gonna chop them. Perfect slices tomato. And finally, we need slices of cucumber. Perfect. Let's turn back the cutting board and the knife. And here in this strainer, I got more vegetables for later. Here we got strawberry smoothie, peach one, and a glass of lemonade. On the counter, let's put a bottle of olive oil, forks, spoons, cups with tzatziki and salsa sauces. On the other side, let's put this napkin holder. And in the middle stay the order pad and the pen. I'm almost ready. There's only one thing left. To put on my uniform. Voila! And to use a hair clip to put my hair up. I'm sure you don't want a hair in your food. I'm ready. Let's go inside. Come on, guys. Time to snack on the go. Yummy to your tummy. And what about you? Do you want a snack? Hey, hi everybody. My name is Daisy, and I love daisies so much. I have one in my hair and on my dress.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And now, what to cook for dinner? Oh, spaghetti! This is a great idea. Alright, first I need to put on my apron. Ta-da! Now I need space where I can work. Oh, I have to clean the table. Come on. Alright, now it's time to start cooking. I need flour, olive oil. I also need some salt. There it is. And now let's open the fridge to find the last thing we need. Where they are? We need eggs. Alright, that's all. It's time to work. First, flour. Now let's make a hole where we can pour the olive oil. A little salt. And finally one egg. Oh, it looks great. Now let's mix everything together to make the dough. Our special dough is ready. Now we need to cut it in 4 pieces. One, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, we need to leave it to rise. And meanwhile, let's make the sauce. First, we need to fill this pot with water. Okay, that's enough. Alright, now let's see what we need. Meatballs and tomato sauce. Now let's put everything in the pot. add a little olive oil, some salt, and now let's leave it to boil. Alright, we are done here. Let's go and make the spaghetti. Our spaghetti are ready! They look so perfect! And now let's take them all and add it to the pot. Let's stir everything together and leave it to get ready. Alright, and now it's time to make a salad. We need 2 tomatoes and 1 lettuce. It's really important to wash them well. We need a cutting board and knife. Time to chop them. And I'm ready. It's time to set the table. But it's dirty. I need to clean it up. I need a cleaning cloth and a detergent. Come on. First, let's remove everything from the table. Now let's spray a little detergent. And now it's time to let it shine. Ta-da! Hooray! Now we are ready to set the table. 1, 2. We need a napkin and a fork. And on the other side too. First, let's put a salad. Now let's take some bread. 1, 2. A little butter for the bread. And now let's see if the spaghetti are ready. Oh, they are! And they look so delicious! One for me. And one for Oliver. Now let's grate a little parmesan on top of them. And finally, it's time for the drinks. Orange juice for me. And apple juice for Oliver. Oh wow, everything looks perfect! Oliver, the dinner is ready! Come to the kitchen, please! Now we'll see if he's gonna like it.
Oh, hey! Hi, sweetie pie!
Hi, Oliver!
Now let's take a look. Spaghetti and salad and my favorite apple juice. Oh, Daisy, you are the best! Oh, thank you so much!
You're welcome! Come on, Oliver, go and sit at the table.
Alright.
I'm coming in a minute. I need to take off this apron. It's so much better now. Alright, let's go.
Let's eat! They are so delicious!
And the salad is so fresh. Hello, dear friends. Let's help her get ready. Here's her apron. And this is a comfy cloth for her head. Perfect. Hello guys, I'm ready to open my little grocery shop. It's the best in town, but shh, keep it a secret. And now please help me setting it up. Alright, the stand is here. On it, Oh, they're coming. And here they are. We got all these fresh fruits and vegetables straight from the farm. Excellent quality. And now we need to sort them out and put it on the stand right next to me. Over here. We're gonna use these two wooden crates. This one is for the fruits and the other one for the vegetables. Alright, we are ready to start. Come on! Here we have 6 yellow lemons. They are fruits, so they go in here. And these are 3 pink dragon fruits. That's right, to the fruits. Here we have 4 red peppers. They are vegetables, so their place is in the second crate. And this is 1 green lettuce. It's a veggie. That's right, over here. Oh, look! This is 1 big pineapple. And there's even 1 more. So we got 2 pineapples. To the fruits. Oh, wow! These are 6 yellow bananas. My favorite fruit in the world. So let's put them in the right place. And here we got 2 red tomatoes. To the veggies. And this is 1 big brown potato. It's a veggie, so to the second crate. Let's see. Oh, yummy, yummy. These are 1, 2, 3 yellow corn cobs. To the vegetables. Here we got 1 big green cabbage, which is a vegetable again. This is a bunch of purple grapes. To the fruits. 2 orange oranges. To the crate with fruits. Here we got 6 orange carrots. To the veggies. And here we got 1 big green cucumber. Of course it is a vegetable. 1 pink radish. It's a veggie again. Oh, look guys, we got watermelon. 1, 2, 3 super delicious slices. Uh-oh, the crates are full, so let's use one of the shelves. Here we got red strawberries, blue blueberries, and finally, these 2 red cherries. Final check. Okay, it's empty. You can go now, cart. Bye. Oh, the dairy products are here too. You're just on time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's check what we have. Ooh, nice. Fresh milk. Let's count the bottles. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Here we have a box with 6 eggs. Two pieces of yellow cheese. And 4 ounces of delicious butter. And this is how my little grocery shop is loaded. Everything is fresh and it looks amazing. Huh? Yeah, what's the problem? Oh wow, how could I forget? I They also offer still hot bread and pastries from the local bakery. Come people, over here! Fresh fruits and vegetables, milk and cheese, bread and pastries. Hey, what about you? Do you wanna try? Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's see what's in the fridge. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's a disaster. The fridge is empty. I need to go to the supermarket. Let's put some clothes on. Go now. That's my favorite supermarket. I'm ready with the shopping. Let's go home now. Now let's put the products in the fridge. It's full, right? Let's put the butter. And the fridge is full. Good job, guys. Hello, friends. Let's take a closer look at this little grocery store. Here we can find fresh fruits and vegetables, rice, eggs, and almost everything made of milk. And over here I see chips, fresh bread, frozen food, nuts, drinks, and a lot of other stuff. And this is Jenny, the owner. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to my little shop. Here you can find... I have a client! Yeah, come in! And this fancy lady is Samantha. Oh, hello, boys and girls. I'm here because I need to do some shopping. And this time I'm ready for that. Hello, Jenny. Hello, Samantha. Welcome. I'm really happy to see you. Oh yeah, me too. As always. Everything in my store is fresh and delicious. You know that? Yeah, I do. That's why I'm here again. And as I told you, I'm prepared this time. I'm gonna show you what is that. But first, let's put my sunglasses in the bag. Perfect. And now, ta-da! That's right. I have a grocery list for today. I've written all the things I need to buy. It's easier this way. But Jenny, can I take something to put the things in it? Oh yeah, sure. I can offer you two options. Over here, we have shopping cart. And of course, shopping basket. You just need to tell me which do you prefer. Oh, I'm gonna take the shopping basket. Great choice. Here you are. Thank you, Jenny. And now, guys, let's start shopping. Come with me. Alright, let's see. Aha! The first thing is bananas. Here they are. I'm gonna take all these 6 bananas, but first I need to measure them. Over here. Alright, they are 2 kilos. Now we're ready to put them in the basket. The next thing is strawberries. Here they are. Fresh and delicious. Let's check what's next. Aha! Carrots and lettuce. Here are the carrots. I'm gonna take these 3 and 3 more. That makes 6 carrots. Let's measure them. Alright, 1 kilo. Done. And here is the lettuce. So fresh and green. Oh wow! My basket started to fill up very quickly. I need to check the things I got. Using this red pen, now let's see. Bananas, strawberries, carrots, lettuce. That's all. The next thing on the list is milk. Here it is. I'm gonna take 1 bottle. No. 2 bottles of milk. The next is eggs. I'm gonna take this one. There are 6 inside. Perfect. Let's close the box and put it in the basket. The next thing on the list is butter. I'm gonna take only 1 lump. Milk, eggs, butter, checked. Let's move on. Alright, now let's see. Oh, bottled water. Alright, where it is? Here we have sparkling juice, sparkling water. Aha, here it is. Bottled water. Let's take 1 and put it in the basket. The next thing on my list is canned meat. I'm gonna take 1. No, actually, Let's make them too. And now I need to find the frozen pizza. Aha! There it is. Alright, bottled water, canned meat, frozen pizza. Huh? Oh, I missed something. The rice. Where it is? But I don't see rice over here. Over there too. Hey Jenny, can you tell me where is the rice? Yeah, of course. It's behind you, under the scale. Oh, thank you so much, dear. I'm gonna take one big package. Alright, checked. I need to find yogurt, tortilla chips, and bread. I can choose between vanilla yogurt and cherry one. I'm going with the cherry. It's my favorite. Here is the tortilla chips. And here's the bread. I'm gonna take this delicious baguette. Yogurt, tortilla chips, bread. Oh, look guys! Everything from my grocery list is checked. This means I'm ready with the shopping. See, I told you, shopping is easy with the grocery list. Now I only need to pay. Bye! Hello, little friends. It's autumn. That's why my home is decorated with all these beautiful leaves. And today, it's the 4th Thursday of November. That's right. It's Thanksgiving Day. I'm back home. Hello guys. I went to the grocery shop and I bought everything necessary to make the perfect Thanksgiving dinner. Let's leave the shopping bags on the table. And now let's take off these clothes. I'm gonna start with my coat first. Alright, let's hang it. Now let's take off the hat. And finally the scarf. And now let's go back to the kitchen. First, I need to put on my kitchen apron. Can you please help me do that? And now it's time to check what's in my 2 shopping bags. Let's take them out one by one. First, of course, we have a turkey. Green lettuce. Carrots, red apples, delicious bread, fresh eggs, a bottle of milk, 2 bottles of soda, a pumpkin, 2 corn cobs, a package of brown sugar, peanuts, a tin of green beans, and of course a lump of butter. That's all. I have everything necessary to make the perfect Thanksgiving dinner. And now, my dear friends, let's roll up our sleeves because it's time to start cooking. First, of course, we need to wash everything. The turkey, the lettuce, the carrots, and the corn cobs. Now I need a chopping board, a sharp knife, and the worst vegetables. I'm gonna make a salad. And voila! Now let's add a little olive oil, a little salt, and a little black pepper. Okay, the salad is ready. Now let's cook the turkey. I'm gonna add carrots and a lot of butter. Now we only need to bake it in the oven. Come with me. Two hours later. We need to set the table for 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So we need plates, more plates, and of course, forks and knives. Delicious turkey, fresh salad, homemade cornbread, traditional veggie dish, sweet corn, and French fries. Alright, everything looks fine, and I'm really satisfied with the dinner I made. Now I only need to wait for my guests to come and have wonderful time together. Hooray! Happy Thanksgiving, guys! Bye!